Rowdy's Atlanta hot trick. Kyle Busch stormed to his third straight truck win at Echo Park Speedway, delivering a 1-2 finish for Spire Motorsports. In a race shortened by rain and a ticking time limit, Busch battled Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Ben Rhodes, and Stuart Friesen in a wild drafting fight. With seconds left, a huge push from teammate Carson Hocevar launched him back to the lead. It marked Busch's 68th career NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series victory, and this time, his son Brexton was there to celebrate. At Atlanta, teamwork made the difference.